welcome to the Pinterest monetization system. I am so excited you're here. Down below is where you can get registered to get on the waitlist. You're not going to want to miss this because once it's live, it's only going to be available for 5 short days. And inside this program, I'm going to be walking you through my 6-part series on how I've been able to create several revenue streams over on the Pinterest platform that's actually sustainable because we're using Pinterest search engine traffic, and it's going to direct long-term traffic to all of my different revenue streams. This is so exciting. I have so many special bonuses for you as well. Once you're inside the program, you'll get access to my ChatGPT prompts that are geared towards whatever niche you're in. You'll also get access to my completely retired 8-week Pinterest for Profits affiliate marketing training that walks you through step-by-step how to set up every aspect of a Pinterest affiliate marketing business. I'm also going to be providing done-for-you Pinterest pin templates, color palettes, font pairings, and I am so excited for that as well. And you'll also get some insider knowledge on Amazon affiliate marketing as well. So again, you're going to want to sign up for the waitlist. You're going to want to make sure you get that confirmation email and mark it not as spam, because you're also going to get special pricing for just being a waitlist member. And I'm just so excited you're here. So I want you to get all the special perks and bonuses and discounts that you can. You're not going to want to miss it. Sign up for the waitlist and I'll see you on the inside.